With YouTube boasting over 2 billion users worldwide in 2021, there is ample opportunity for content creators, vloggers, and streamers to amass followers. We've created this list of Envato Element's top 10 best YouTube channel templates to help make the lives of YouTubers everywhere much easier. All items featured are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that will give you access to more than 1 million creative assets that will help you save time, money, and general resources. Subscriptions include video stock, fonts, PowerPoint templates, and everything in between to enhance your projects. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. YouTube Kit by Ninja Team. This is a versatile kit for YouTubers that isn't only useful for creating engaging YouTube videos, it's also perfect for making social media posts to promote upcoming streams, product releases, and more. Number 9. YouTube Pack by Braxu. This professionally designed YouTube template kit is a fantastic addition to any video editor's toolkit. With over 50 elements including intros, transitions, lower thirds, and titles, this pack has it all. Number 8. YouTube Pack by Usama Hajuartu. A stunning assortment of elements come together in this pack to provide templates that work for any YouTube channel, from travel vlogs to music broadcasters, beauty reviewers to finance gurus, and more. Number 7. YouTuber Kit. Glitch by Redcase. Glitch effects are so in right now. Not only do they effectively catch the eye of the viewers, but they also set an edgy, futuristic tone to the videos they feature in. This pack contains a range of glitch-inspired elements for YouTubers to take advantage of. Number 6. YouTube Subscribe Buttons by Wall Street Cat. If your videos don't include subscribe buttons, you're missing out on converting viewers into subscribers every single time you upload new content. Utilize the subscribe button templates in this pack to help increase your follower count with minimal effort. If you've found this Envato Elements top 10 best YouTube channel templates list interesting so far, please like and share this video with anyone else who might appreciate it, and ring that subscription bell. Thank you for supporting the Envato channel. Now, let's find out which templates are rounding out our countdown. Number 5. YouTube Live Pack by Sun Create. Easily editable in Adobe After Effects, the elements included in this YouTube template pack are highly versatile and masterfully crafted to ensure that YouTubers and their followers have only the best editing and viewing experiences. Number 4. YouTuber Pack by Justamotion. Bright, fun, and fabulous subscribe and like buttons, image and logo placeholders, and a range of other funky elements offer flexibility to video editors. This pack is an all-in-one YouTube channel's dream. Number 3. YouTube by Bob1980. One of the simplest YouTube templates to use with After Effects, this template includes a helpful step-by-step tutorial ensuring anyone can utilize the elements to their full potential in their video content. Number 2. YouTube Library by Nick Chivalin. This YouTube template pack is bursting with over 150 stunning elements across 16 categories including fashion, travel, e-commerce, social media, and more. Number 1. YouTube Channel Kit by Soundelion. The number 1 spot on this countdown goes to a YouTube template kit with modern and elegant animations, lower thirds, transitions, like and subscribe buttons, logo reveals, and a host of other creative effects. Of the items in our Envato Elements top 10 best YouTube channel templates list, which one would you find most useful when sharing your YouTube videos? Let us know in the comments. You can see more content like this by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the Envato channel. If you're looking for more videos tailored to your interests, check out the next one in the queue. It's been chosen just for you. You can find all the YouTube channel templates in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements, so you can make a splash with your next YouTube content upload.